cider?
Probably.
Yeah.
Is it a seasonal drink?
Well, yeah, it is with him.
Oh, at the party. I thought you meant the Chinese place. But they put alcohol in that.
Yeah, Captain Morgan. This guy with the pumpkin on the pole. I put my coat over there. He can sit right where he's at. Like a lot of leaves came down last night.
It was really windy. I heard it.
Yeah.
And it was making a really eerie sound on my blinds.
Mm-hmm. They sure did a nice job on that house. See how they fixed up that house? Real cute. Remember how junky it used to be?
Yeah.
So you gotta wait till these cars go by for sure. Man, oof.
Yeah, Christina tested me on it. When I was driving with her.
Oh. Just to see if you'd know stuff?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
I got it right, but I've seen people doing a lot of illegal stuff.
Uh-huh.
But she just said ignore it.
Yeah, you just do the right stuff. Never mind about people doing the stuff they're not supposed to be doing. No. Go in and check out the menu, okay? We'll see exactly,
Is it open?
yeah, what you might want. Right here. See? Open. Here we go.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, leave Shep here.
Will we be eating in there, or
Huh?
will we be eating in here or out?
Don't you want to
Yeah.
just eat it at home?
Yeah.
All right, let's go in, but we got to get it,
Yeah, yeah.
and we got to wait for it. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want chow mein?
I'd like
chow mein, or do you
the
like the sweet and sour?
sweet and sour chicken and the
Where is
shrimp fried rice.
Let me see.
Oh, you're getting the shrimp fried rice, right?
Fried rice. Yeah, it's got everything in it. See, I'm getting Sub-Gum fried rice. It's got, and it's got in it.
So I think I would be getting
Yeah,
it
yeah.
just sweet and sour chicken.
Okay. Oh, and Debbie wanted egg foo young.
Egg foo young, yeah.
Is that what she wanted?
I don't know.
What do they call it?
Do they close? This place? I don't know. When water goes extinct, that's why I'm
Raining like
videotaping.
crazy. No.
That's why I'm videotaping this, for when water becomes prehistoric.
Water. If water is not around anymore, we all die. We all die. I don't think that's gonna happen. Ooh. What's this? What the heck is this? Oh, it's rice. Alright, here's your sesame kit. Ooh, it's really hot, so watch out.
It's steaming.
Yeah. How does that guy make up this stuff so
Oh.
fast?
I have no idea.
Alright, you gonna put it in here or not? Right there. It's got everything.
Thank you. Yeah. The thing I like about that place is that it's when you walk in there, it feels like time is stopped and stuff. It's so quiet. Everything is perfect. There's no troubles, no TV, no news channel, just silence.
Just people coming in and out, getting their food.
Yeah. And 2 kids sitting in the corner speaking Chinese.
Learning their Chinese.
When their mom is working. It's a family business. Those are the best businesses.
Yeah, they work real hard there. You know, what the heck. After this 3rd car, I'm going straight across.
Good job.
The bar up there is doing a big business tonight. Look at the cars up there.
They have live music.
Do they? How
Yeah.
do you know?
I watched them play one time and I want to go. I want to do
In
it.
the back of that place or what?
Yeah, I want to do it sometime.
It's kind of cold out to be playing live music out the back.
But the problem is, there's just a lot of older people, and I don't think that they would like the way I do
Right.
my show.
Yeah, right. Well, did that fill you up pretty much?
Yeah, it's a good dinner. I don't want to eat anything else because I don't want to ruin it.
Well, you could
That.
finish. You could, if you're still hungry, you could finish it off with Debbie on the, you know, when you get home.
I can watch a movie or
As long as
something.
it's nice and warm yet.
A Halloween movie. Do we
I'm
have-
sick of it. I'm
we ha-
sick of the Halloween movies.
Well, yeah, but
Unless it's a different one. What's the other guy?
Young
it's
Frankenstein.
Jason. Who's Jason?
Jason's the one in the woods, Michael's the one in neighborhoods, and Freddy Krueger's the one in people's dreams.
Right. I think that Krueger one is just really the stupidest one. The Jason one. What does he look like?
They had a creative. Jason's a hockey mask.
Oh, the hockey mask guy. And does he just kind of go around in woodsy areas,
Yeah, camps.
camps and things?
Also kills teenagers, just like with every horror movie.
Huh.
Krueger-
And they scream a lot.
Yeah, well, and they're having sex and stuff.
Oh, jeez.
Well, they always kill people when they're like in the acts and stuff. Just, but never mind that.
Well, hey, maybe we could watch a Jason one tonight. Are they on TV?
I hope so. But
I'm kind of tired of Michael Myers. He just never ends.
it's all about money.
Ugh. Stupid. They even shoot him with a big gun. He still comes out of it.
It's the way you get a quick buck. He burns in fire. He gets his head chopped off.
Well, they ought to have his head chopped off. Then he's done.
Laurie already axed his head off when he was stuck in the middle of a car. But yet he regenerated in the next
No.
movie.
No way.
Yeah, because
Is
of
that
his
Michael
skin.
Myers?
Yeah, he regenerates like his skin. Like he,
No.
when he dies, he gets put back together by this magic stuff.
So he actually did get his head chopped off one time?
Yeah,
What movie was that? Second or third?
it was in a series that they did, H2O. Nobody knows about it because it was bad. But the Krueger one, Dad, is exciting because it jumps in realms of dreams and in real life.
Hokey.
But what they need to do, I think we should watch the Blair Witch Project. The Blair Witch Project, you don't even see any scary stuff, but takes place in the most basic place of all,
Come on, turn the trailer.
the forest.
I want that trailer.
And if you turn your movies to Hollywood, then the imagination is gone because it's too Hollywood, too well produced. If it's cheap, then it's more believable because
Yeah.
it's not too Hollywood.
Still raining. Well, I'm just gonna have a little more of that fried rice when I get home. Just 'cause I don't want Debbie to eat all by herself. Are you gonna finish off your meal or?
Yeah, when I'm watching a movie with her or something.
She's gonna eat right away. I gotta get the newspaper. You wanna get out and get it? Because you're on that side. Grab that newspaper. It's in that first box.
I'll just get out.
No, yeah, you gotta get it. Hey, shove it.
There's nothing in there.
You get it?
There wasn't anything in there.
No, it's in the first box. I might as well park it in the garage.
It's still raining. It's starting to rain. The kids are in Salem. They left all their pumpkins here. Will we light them? Will we won't? We don't know. I still haven't carved mine yet. You know, I think I might do that. Yeah, because it's like the 28th or something. We've had that since the 90s. That too. That's been there since the 90s. You can tell it's from the 90s because it's more well detailed, crafted. Yeah. Everything's gotten so boring nowadays, so that's facts. Like this thing right here. This is from the 90s. 1994 to be exact, and it still works. Hooked. Yep. It's really good. And an old doorbell thing is a spider. Like, and kids would be afraid to push that. You see, they put some thought into that. So, I did.